You thought it was over because I went to the gym? You crazy. It's just getting started. Matter of fact, this is going to be the last one we do. Little Bobby looks like a light-skinned Billy Blanks. What you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do? Duke looks like a bald-headed, light-skinned Sinbad. My sister Kristen be walking around looking like Skeletor. Oh shit, is that George Foreman? Hey little Timmy, can I have those steroids you're taking? JR, why do you wear the same army shirt every day? Oh, break for a second. There's this lady at the gym seeing me recording all this stuff. She asked if she could get a shout out. I said, why? And she says, because. I guess that's good enough reason. Her name is Sarah. Shout out from Sarah, the white lady that I don't know. Okay, back to business. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? Get some. Why is Katie dating somebody from prison? That's crazy. It ain't over, son. My dad looks like David Ruffin in the 5 Heartbeats. When you talk to my mom, she sounds like this, but when you call her phone and talk to her voicemail, it sounds like, hi, this is Frankie. How are you? I'm not available at this time. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a blessed day.